I did fix it yesterday, but apparently I did a very shitty job, hey? But at the end of the day, we are still learning. Mama Bear, Mom, thank you so much for a licky licks, and I love you so. He's not going to finish the whole bone, but he's going to eat most of it. And that's part of our jobs. Thank you so much. So working with these, and there's cool glasses. It's part of our work on a daily basis. Whenever you come and visit Sangita, you won't see poop and bones laying around, and you won't get an ugly smell hanging around. We do enter the enclosures with a safe distance daily, and pick up bones, leftover food, pick up poop. So it's a clean environment for them.